Today we're talking about 3 amazing kitchen appliances that can help you save time and effort. Say goodbye to the chaos and hello to a tech-savvy kitchen. Let's get to it. First up, we have the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Joule has some serious tech built in. Once it's connected to your Wi-Fi, you can use the Breville Plus app on your phone for guided cooking instructions. The app will guide you through the recipe ingredients and each cooking step with detailed instructions. And with Joule Autopilot, the oven will automatically adjust settings for the meal you are preparing, like moving from bake to broil to crisp up some chicken. Save time by taking the guesswork out of cooking dinner. This oven is packed with features too. It's like the Swiss Army knife of ovens. It has 12 cooking functions. You've got settings for bagel, bake, broil, keep warm, pizza, reheat, roast, toast, air fry, proof, slow cook, dehydrate. It even has a setting for cookies. And if you have your hands tied up with other tasks in the kitchen, you can use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to control your oven. And another bonus, it preheats super quickly, so you're not wasting any time. Time saved in the kitchen is time you can spend doing, well, anything else. So, if you're someone who loves versatility and wants to simplify your dinner routine, the Breville Joule Oven is your new best friend. Now, let's talk about the Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot is your speedy meal prep buddy. It's quiet, efficient, and super versatile. 9 cooking modes in one. This is perfect for those busy weeknights when you just don't have much time to spend in the kitchen. Pressure cooking can be up to 70% faster than some other traditional cooking methods. And check this out. With the Whisper Quiet Steam Release, you can cook without all the hissing and whistling. It's like the Instant Pot is saying, shh, I got this. And one-pot meals mean less dishes and less cleanup. So, if you're looking for a kitchen gadget that's going to save you time and make cooking a breeze, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is a must-have. Okay, last but definitely not least, let's talk about the Foodi Smart XL Grill, an indoor countertop grill and air fryer. Another multifunction appliance, this grill can sear, sizzle, and air fry. It has a smart cook system with 4 protein settings and 9 doneness settings. So you can achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well done at the touch of a button. And its smart thermometer continuously monitors the temperature while it cooks, so you don't have to. This grill saves you time because you don't have to defrost your food before cooking it. You can start right away and have char-grilled food ready in about 25 minutes. And the XL capacity means you can cook for the whole family all at once. Let's not forget about the air frying feature. Crispy chicken wings without the guilt? Yes, please. So, if you're looking to make grilling easy and do it indoors, the Foodi Smart XL Grill is your go-to appliance. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. And if you'd like further recommendations on kitchen appliances, make a free appointment with a Best Buy home expert. Click the link below to find out more or set up an appointment. Thanks for watching.